Welcome to our comparison of the CORSAIR RM750x and Segotep 750W power supplies. In today's video, we'll explore the key features of each unit, including their performance, efficiency, and overall value. Whether you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading your current setup, choosing the right power supply is crucial for ensuring stability and performance. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the CORSAIR RM750x is priced at $139, while the Segotep 750W comes in at a more budget-friendly $99. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking to save on your build without sacrificing quality. However, it's essential to consider what features you're getting for that price. Another critical factor is the warranty. The CORSAIR RM750x offers an impressive 10-year warranty, which speaks volumes about its reliability and build quality. In contrast, the Segotep 750W provides a 5-year warranty. While both warranties are decent, the longer warranty of the RM750X may give you peace of mind for long-term use. In terms of cooling, the CORSAIR RM750X features a 135mm ML fan with a 0 RPM mode, ensuring silent operation under low loads. On the other hand, the Segotep 750W is equipped with a 120mm FDB fan. While both fans are designed for efficient cooling, the larger fan size of the RM750X may provide better airflow and quieter performance during operation. To wrap up, both the CORSAIR RM750X and Segotep 750W power supplies offer excellent features for their respective price points. The RM750X stands out with its longer warranty and superior fan performance, while the Segotep provides a more affordable option with essential features for gamers. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and specific needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.